Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices held near a one-week high on worries about supply disruptions in Russia and the US, while the market awaited clarity on sanctions as Washington has been trying to broker a deal to end the war in Ukraine. An index of global shares was lower, pressured by choppy trading on Wall Street and a dip in European stocks, as US President Donald Trump's latest tariff threats on auto, semiconductor and pharmaceutical imports injected a sense of caution into the markets. Binance.us, the US-based affiliate of global cryptocurrency exchange Binance, has resumed US dollar deposits and withdrawals following nearly 18 months of restrictions, citing regulatory clarity. US dollar services are back on Binance.us for US customers, including deposits and withdrawals via bank transfer.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.